Today we are going to talk about, or I'm going to teach you how much and what should I eat. So I came up with a 4-step plan basically to determine how much and what you should eat. And then we're going to plug it into MyFitnessPal as well to make sure that you're eating the right amount of each food. So the first step is use really any calculator will work, but I use the bodybuilding.com if it fits your macros calculator to determine how many calories I should eat or how many calories my client should eat, as well as the macro percentage and breakdown. So we're going to do that together. So if you open up a browser window, and you can kind of do this as we're following along, or you can pause, or you can just watch this whole thing and then try it later yourself. So I'm going to go over to my browser, and if you search bodybuilding IIFYM macro calculator, or here's the link to the website. I'll drop it in the description, I guess, of this video. Then you can use the calculator to follow along as well. So we're going to scroll down, and here's the macro calculator. So it's really, really easy, guys, because all you're going to do is you're going to plug in your information. So I just turned 35. Today is November 15th. I turned 35 4 days ago. So this is the first time I've ever typed in that number. So 35, I'm male, and then so my height is 5'7". I think I'm 161 as of a couple days ago. So I'm 161 pounds. So just make sure that you check whether you're using pounds or kilograms, of course. I don't have a let's say I don't have a particular goal right now. I'm building muscle right now, but I am maintaining my current weight. So right now I'm sort of in a phase where I'm burning fat and gaining muscle at the same time. If you are looking to lose weight, you want to select lose weight. And if you are looking to gain weight specifically, of course, in the form of muscle, then you'll want to gain weight. But I'm happy at my current weight right now. I'm just gaining strength and building muscle while keeping myself as lean as I can. So I'm going to maintain current weight. Now here, you're going to want to select your activity level. To be honest, and it's maybe a good thing that I'm walking you through this, I actually think that knowing how this calculator works, because I've used it with a lot of my clients, I think that if you think that you're active, I would probably go one less. So let's see, moderate exercise. I do hard. See, I don't even do very active. I don't do hard exercise or sports 7 days a week. I go to the gym about 4 days a week, max 5. So I'm going to do moderate active. And see, that's why I said, like, I'm an online fitness coach. I'm super fit, super active, but even I'm, fall under the moderately active. I also don't have a physical job, to be honest, as an online fitness coach. When I was an in-person trainer, I was like hustling and bustling, running around from client to client, but now as an online fitness coach, unfortunately, I do spend a lot of time on the computer now, so I do like to get up and walk around to make sure that I'm getting my steps in. But either way, I'm moderately active, so we're just going to hit calculate and scroll down, and boom, there are our numbers. So it is that easy. So the number of calories that I should be eating if I want to maintain my weight based on my age, my height, my activity level, and my goal is 2517 or 2,517 calories. And this is the approximate protein, fat, and carbs. So these numbers here are exactly what you are going to plug into MyFitnessPal, and then what how much you're going to eat. So 189 grams of protein, which is 755 calories, 252 grams of carbs per day, or 1007 calories, 1007 calories, or 84 grams of fat, which is 755. So the next step, now that we have those numbers, is referring to, really any guide that's going to help you understand because now we know we have to eat 189 grams of protein, 252 grams of carbs, 84 grams of fat. What the heck does that mean, right? A lot of people don't understand or don't know what foods contain what macros, your protein, fat, and carbs. So that is where I'm going to help you. Here is a little cheat sheet that I found online that I thought was really helpful.